SkipperBud's Yacht Center in Sturgeon Bay, taking you through the 2014 Sea Ray 240 Sundeck. This is a single owner boat sold by SkipperBud's. Always been stored indoors. Has the 350 meg, 300 horsepower with Mercruiser with the Bravo 3 outdrive. Large extended swim platform. Due to an improper winterization, the engine has been replaced and has 10 engine hours. Large sun pad, nice convenient walk-through transom. You do have a walk-through door. Cup holders, convenient, stows away. Pull-out cooler. Seating is convertible on the port side. Flip-up bolster, plenty of storage in the center lockers. Head compartment as well. Both bow compartments are gel coated with a drain. You could use them as coolers. Ergonomic armrests on either side. This boat is located in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin, and easy to show. Call ahead to schedule your showing today.